Hi again everyone. In today's video I will begin to examine the biblical people and civilization known as the Hittites by first exploring the geography and geographical features of their ancient homeland which they knew as Hatti. So let's begin our examination of the Hittites. The homeland of the biblical people known as the Hittites is located in modern-day central Turkey in what is known as Anatolia. The term Anatolia actually derives from a Greek word Anatoli in the 10th century AD, which means rising. And they gave the name Anatolia to the region as, based upon their perspective in the west in Greece, it was over this region that the sun rose. The Hittites and other ancient peoples in the Near East referred to their homeland as Hatti. The land of Hatti was situated on the Anatolian plateau, which is surrounded by the Pontic mountain range and the Black Sea to the north, the mountains of Ararat and Armenia to the east, by the Taurus mountain range and the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and to the west the plateau descends more gently through mountains and valleys to the Aegean coast. The nature of this terrain meant that in ancient times any land travel through Anatolia, especially those travelling from east to west or vice versa, would naturally and logically pass through the relatively easy terrain of the Anatolian plateau to reach their destination. So even though at first the location of the homeland of the Hittites seems isolated, it was actually not, as travellers by land would most likely have to pass through the land of Hatti. Because of the surrounding mountains and high altitude of the Anatolian plateau, which is about 1,000 metres or 3,300 feet above sea level, the region experiences very hot and dry summers and very cold and often snowy winters, which made living in the area a challenge for any people who chose to live there, and still does to this very day. During the time of the Hittites, the region was also covered with thick forests, which, due to deforestation, is no longer the case, and is now mostly grassland. The main industry in ancient Hatti was that of agriculture, and depended heavily upon the natural rivers and springs that were found within the country. The major capital of the Hittite people and empires was the city of Hattusa, known today in Turkish as Boğazkale, which is located in the north of the Anatolian plateau, and which we will examine in more detail in a future video in the series. At the very height of their power during the Late Bronze Age in circa 1300 BC, the Hittite Empire controlled most of what is now modern-day Turkey and the northern Levant and Syria. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more new videos every Friday.